Good, 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 good. Good. Good, nice. Circle B, dribble. Circle B, attack. 7, 8. Switch. Mabilis, mababa. Yun. Oh. Mabilis, let's go, let's go. Attack. Nice, nice. Si Thanos pala, so, grabe, good job, Hesi, grabe. Ang ganda ng handle sagad ni Thanos. Ang nakita ko, kailangan ko ituro sa kanya talaga is yung footwork. Proper footwork. Nakita ko rin na out of balance siya. Kailangan balance rin siya. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa kanya kanina kailangan nakabend ka ng maayos para makapag-balance ka maayos. Kasi kanina, mabilis yung dribble niya pero medyo na-out of balance. Kailangan talaga yung balance sa game. Pero I'm sure makukuha niya agad yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Natin. 1, 2, dribble. Nice one. Last 2. 3, last 1. Good. Okay. Agad. Andar. Tigil. Down. Bam. Andar. Good. Dribble. Switch. Andar. Last 1. Last 1. Between tayo. Pag V mo, pag between mo, step upper right. Hindi step forward, step forward to. Huwag ganito, Huwag ganyan. Kailangan step upper right. V, between. V, between. Huwag mo crossover na gano'n, Ganyan lang tayo. Speed lang, speed. Okay? Go, speed and low. Good, 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 good. Okay, tuloy. Good. Good, nice. Nice one. Tuloy, tuloy. Okay. Chest up. Footwork lang gumagalaw. Go. Yan. Yan, Okay, okay. Athletic stance. Athletic stance. Let's go. Go. Mabilis. Let's go. Let's go. Attack. Nice. Nice. One more. Good job. Appear. Appear. Solid. Between. Between the legs, Sa appear. Between. Appear. Solid na appear. Yan. Speed dribble. Speed dribble. Switch. Hands at the back. Up, up. Jump shot. Okay. First set yun. 3 sets tayo. Yung may pa ako. Mga ganun ako, di ba? Baby steps. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ulit, ulit, ulit. Hindi mo circle B. Circle B. Gusto mo ito circle B. Circle B. Ready, go. Circle B. Dribble. Circle B. Attack. Yun, isa pa. Ito. Circle B. Nice. Good fundamentals. Nice. Okay, shush. Yamin pa ako. Naka-pivot ako. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle ganyan, Yan, 8. Okay, baka naman. Last 2. Last 2. Nice, nice. Good. Go. Go. Okay, stay mo si coach, Huwag ka gagalaw hanggang di nakatigil si coach. Okay? Pwede na. Antayin mo si coach pumesto, isa pa. Maaga yung pasa mo. Kailangan, marating na ako dito, Pag nandito na ako, boom, ganun mo, okay? Sa gitna. Yan, nice pass. Nice pass. Okay, kabila. Let's go. Nice pass. Circle V, between. Gawin mo yan. Gawin mo yan. Circle V, between. Okay, isa pa. Taas ng circle mo. Tingnan mo. Ngayon yung ginawa mo, mabagal, So, mabilis, mas mababa talaga dito dapat. Okay? Good, nice. Dalawa pa. Dalawang mabilis. O, hindi mo sinircle. Circle mo dapat. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Good. Trust. Go, let's go. Focus tayo, focus. Yan, ganda. Kitang-kita eh. Ganun ha. Yun. O yan, panapos. Hey! Nice one, nice one. Basic. Kayang-kaya. Mababa. Mabilis, mababa. Switch. Mabilis, mababa. Side, side, up. Up and down. Bigla mong back, ganito. Yan, go, side. Isa pa, bigla mong back, ganito. Step cross. Step cross. Hindi, kabila pa. Dribble, step. Yan, o, kabila. Dribble, step. Okay, V-dribble, V-dribble. Between the legs, dalawa. 1, 2. Go, 1, 2. Okay, stop. Isa pa tayo, isa pa. Wala pa na eh, no? Likod mo, sinaganyan ka. Kailangan ganito, tingnan mo may legs ko. Tingnan mo. Oh, straight. Dito ako mag-invest. Kailangan lumakas din yung tuhod mo. Pag lumakas yan, effective sa basketball yan, sa mga talon, sa mga takbo. Okay, ready? Wait lang. Positioning mo tayo. Dito ka, dito ka. Okay? Oh, hindi ka gaganon ha. Masakit yan. Kaya sumasakit likod mo kanina. Oh, dribble ka ganyan. Gusto mo bumaba, mababa talaga. Saka ka mag-dribble. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Hands at the back. Kamay sa likod. Yan, nice. Huwag ka ano ha. Good, switch. Good. Dalawa pa. Switch. Good. One more. Okay, stop, stop. Tanggalin natin to ha.